Aprilia's new RS 125 and Tuono 125. Welcome to the MOTORCYCLES.NEWS. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Aprilia has unveiled updates to its entry-level 1/8-liter motorcycles. The small motorcycles offer a special style as well as some sportiness. The models were designed as everyday motorcycles that can be really fun to ride. Visually, the Aprilia RS 125 and Tuono 125 are adapted to the new face of the Aprilia family. The reference to the RS 660 or Tuono 660 is undeniable. LED technology is used for the lighting. The new digital display can be used either with white or light blue backlighting. The smartphone can be connected via Bluetooth. So that the mobile phone doesn't run out of power on the road, there is a storage space with a charging port under the seat. Theoretically, it even offers space for an 8-inch tablet. The two 125s are powered by a liquid-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder that produces 11 kilowatts or 14.75 PS at 10,000 revolutions per minute. The maximum torque of 11.2 Nm is available at 8,000 revolutions per minute. The engine power is transmitted to the rear wheel via a 6-speed gearbox. Changes were made to the combustion chamber, intake and exhaust ports, valves and throttle body. The exhaust system would also be revised, or actually swapped for a brand new system. Together with the new catalytic converter, this should work much more efficiently. At the front, you'll find a 40 mm diameter upside-down fork. The asymmetrical swing arm is damped via a single strut setup. Braking is at the front with a 4-piston radial caliper, which is allowed to bite into a 300 mm brake disc. At the rear wheel, the brake disc has a diameter of 218 mm. The dual-channel ABS comes from Bosch. Braided steel brake lines are also fitted as standard, ensuring constant brake pressure even when the brakes are used often and heavily. The Aprilia RS 125 is offered in black, actually black and red, or Synesy blue. In addition, there will be a version that is visually based on the RS GP machine from MotoGP. The GP version also comes with a quick shifter and cover for the pillion seat. The Aprilia Tuono 125 for 2021 will be available in Aprilia Black, Lightning White or Aero Gray. The two revised models will be at dealerships from May 2021. Thanks for watching.